Hello friends, in this video we will go through the alignment and number section. So as you can see in alignment, first option that we have is top align. In case if we have some sample text here, if you click on the top align, it will automatically align in the top part. If you select as the middle align, it will align in the middle part, and as if now it is on the bottom, it is as is in the bottom. And also there's one called align left. So what it will do, it will align your content to the left. So as of now it is on the left hand side only, that is why it is not getting moved. If you click on the center thing, so now as you can see it has moved to the sample text has now moved to the middle alignment. If I again click on the left one, you can see the difference. Similarly, if I click on the right line, it will go to the right hand side. So it's just an alignment we can use by using this part, this section of the alignment. Next we can go here. The next is the orientation under alignment. So as you can see, as of now you can change the angle as well. For example, now you can see I have select the counterclockwise. You can change the angles of the text based upon the requirement. You want to do a vertical text, you can do that as well. Now it will showing the sample text into a vertical text. You want to rotate text up, so you can just work and you can just change all those. You can rotate those sample text and the content. So I'm just going back to the right. Next is indentation. You can just decrease the indentation, you can increase the indentation. As you can see, I've done the indentation of that. Next is wrap text. As you can see, wrap extra long text into multiple lines so that you can see all of it. Sometimes it happens when you write anything on the Excel in a one cell. So for example, I have mentioned hello world, how are you, and some text also here. So as you can see, you are not able to see what is mentioned in this particular cell. So to see that, we can use the wrap text. So now you can see what it has done. It has wrapped the whole text into one cell. If I unselect it again, it will again go back to the normal format. As you can see, now it is this. Next is merge and center. In case if we are not using this and if you want to merge this particular whole cell into two, I have just pressed the shift and the right key. Now I wanted to select this one statement into this two cell, then I click on merge and center. So now it's already there, so it will asking for me. I'll say okay, and now as you can see, the whole text are now into this two cells, E and F. If I unselect it, it will again go back to cell E. Now F is blank. Right, so this is the alignment section. Next is a number section. Here we have, so for example, as you can see here, so it will specify a different format of a text or a number if you want. So in this case we have taken as 1 2 3 as an example. So if you select it, by default there are no specific format for that. If you click on it, if you click on the number, so again it will go as 0.00. It comes into decimal this one. And if you go for a currency, it will apply a currency, a local currency. And then you want to have a short date, it will then convert that 1 2 3 text into a date format. And likewise, you can also convert into a percentage directly. So we'll go back again to the 1 2 3. And here also, like for the currency, so you have a different currency for different countries. And if you directly use the percentage, you can directly click the percentage, or you have a shortcut as Control Shift plus percentage. So it will directly convert the numbers into percentage format. You want to undo it? No specific. Then this is for the comma style. If you want to have a separate, 1000 separator, then it will be used. If I add more random value, then as you can see now the comma separation is being introduced. If you want to undo this, you can just click on general. Now it will show the numbers without commas. Then the next is decimal. So by using this we can increase the decimal section. As you can see, I am just increasing the decimal section. If we take another example of 3.14, so if we increase that, so again increase this like this. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Thanks.